question number 5. You have a unit circle where is indicated an angle, theta. First question, find the 6 trigonometric values of theta. So I will have sine of theta, cosine of theta, tangent of theta. Sine and cosine are respectively the y-coordinate and the x-coordinate. So the y-coordinate is square root of 3 over 2. The x-coordinate is negative 1 over 2. And therefore, the tangent, if I perform the fraction of sine over cosine, would be negative square root of 3. And to get the so that's for A, right? And to get the 3 others that are the reciprocal, namely cosecant of theta, I'm just going to take the reciprocal. And it's 2 square root of 3 over 3 if you want to rationalize the denominator, which is good practice. Then secant of theta would be the reciprocal of cosine. I'll just have negative 2. And cotangent of theta would be the reciprocal of tangent, so negative 1 over square root of 3, which is just negative square root of 3 over 3. For B, give the value of theta in degree. So in degree, I'm going to take this value here. So you could eventually read that from your calculator. So I know my unit circle, so I know it's going to be 120 degrees. Okay, and so if I do that in the calculator, this time I'm going to go back, I'm going to stay in degree, sorry, and I'm going to do second sine to get the sine inverse, and if I type square root of 3 over 2 divided by 2, I will have 60 degrees. So the calculator gives me this angle, because as you notice, they do have the same sign. You need to be aware whether the angle is in quadrant 1, 2, 3, or 4. If you use the calculator, if you know your unit circle, it's not an issue. Now, if I use cosine inverse, and if I put negative 1 over 2, I will have this 120, because only 120 has a negative x-coordinate. All right, so but you do not necessarily need the calculator for this one, right? You can just know your unit circle. Now, for C, give the exact value in theta in radians. So you may already know that this is just 2 pi over 3. And if you're hesitating, you can just divide the degree value by 180 and add pi. And you will have, if you frac this fraction, 2/3. And that's it, right? Because if you expect to have something exact with the calculator, you are mistaken. See, let me go in radian. If I do cosine inverse, then I will have a decimal, because in radian you have pi, which is not a rational number. And this is it. Good luck.